Hello, and you're watching TV9 News. I'm your host Deepak. Well, if there was one thing during the pandemic which grabbed a lot of eyeballs and a lot of attraction was the diets and also some of the studies which revolved around many diets which spoke about strengthening your immune response, and also some of these diets even spoke about how you can reduce your chances of contracting COVID-19. Now, a group of researchers have come out with a similar study surrounding one particular diet which could possibly reduce an individual's chance of contracting COVID-19. Well, a few researchers have now come to a conclusion that following keto diet could probably help you ward off COVID-19 and also could help you in reducing the severity of the virus infection. Now, to tell us more about what keto diet is all about, we have a dietitian. So, Sheila, could you please tell our viewers about what keto diet is all about?
A keto diet, or ketogenic diet as it is scientifically called, is a diet which is very low in carbohydrates, moderate in protein, and very high in fat. Normally, a person on a keto diet would be getting about 60 to 70% of the calories from fat, 20 to 30% of calories from protein, and the rest of the calories from carbohydrates, which would be very low. The premise of using a keto diet is that the brain uses ketone bodies as fuel instead of glucose.
Well, many thanks, Sheila, for giving us your insights about keto diet. We hope our viewers by now would have understood what keto diet is all about. Now, you must be wondering what is that X factor which led these researchers to come up to a conclusion that following keto diet could probably reduce an individual's chances of contracting COVID-19. Well, the researchers identified that following keto diet could probably help you increase your immune response because they believe that ketones, which mainly boost your energy levels and also have many other such benefits which Sheila spoke to you about, and also ketones, having high levels of ketones in an individual's body will inhibit inflammatory response, and also ketones inhibit hyperinflammatory response as well in cases of severity of COVID-19 infection in that particular individual. Now, to find out the legitimacy of this particular study, we have with us a clinical immunologist, Dr. Sitesh Roy, joining us from Mumbai in Maharashtra. Many thanks, Dr. Sitesh Roy, for taking out some valuable time from your busy schedule. Could you please tell us about how keto diet could be the best defender of COVID-19 if the study is to be believed?
Certainly, over the years, there has been data that there can be reduced inflammation in the body when a person is on a ketogenic diet, and this reduced inflammation can translate into a physical state where the immune system is primed and ready to fight a viral infection far more efficiently. And certainly in some studies where they have looked at influenza infections, it has been believed that people who were on a ketogenic diet were able to respond better to such an infection. So there certainly is some value and worth to looking at a ketogenic diet with regards to the body's ability to ward off or better respond to a COVID-19 infection.
Well, also, Doctor, one pertinent question which haunts one and all is whether inculcating certain diets in our regular life could help us in developing a good immune response, and also will diets help us in warding off COVID-19 infection?
So Deepak, diet is the ultimate medicine. You know, food is the ultimate medicine, and I certainly believe that the right diet prepares the right milieu in the human body to prime the immune system through priming of the gut in how we respond to anything that is in our environment. So I do believe that there are certain advantages that a vegetarian diet or a limited non-vegetarian diet that avoids red meats and primarily focuses on seafood and hence on omega-3 fatty acids and other such substances, along with the right amount of vitamin D, vitamin C, zinc, and several other such micronutrients, as we call, optimizing a diet with adequate fresh fruits and vegetables, which are very, very important for our gut and our immune system. All of this can certainly keep us healthy, along with exercise and a healthy lifestyle, and thus help us ward off infections, not just for SARS-CoV-2 and COVID-19, but for other infections in general. So I do believe that food is a very important pillar in our immune system being healthy and being able to fight off any type of infection.
Well, thank you, doctor, for all your insights. Well, that was Dr. Sitesh Roy giving us insights about whether diets and whether keto diet in particular could help us in reducing our chances of contracting COVID-19. Well, if following diets could probably reduce our chances of COVID-19, then we wouldn't have needed masks or even many precautionary measures such as social distancing and even hand wash. People would have just followed all these diets and could have remained COVID-free. So, in order to avoid contracting COVID-19 infection, it's not about just the diet, it's also about following these safety precautions, because a vaccine is yet to be rolled out in the nearest future, and until a vaccine is rolled out, all we have to do is follow all the safety and precautionary measures. And one more advisory for all our viewers is do not follow keto diet without a dietitian's prescription, because in the recent past we've seen how a Bengali actress succumbed by following keto diet in her regular life. So avoid following keto diet on your own. Please make sure that you consult a dietitian before taking steps like following this particular diet. So if you guys have liked this piece of information that I've shared with you all today, please do drop in your comments, and also like, share and subscribe to TV9 News on various social media platforms. Many thanks for joining us.